Welcome once again to Home Workouts by Coach Remy. Guys, this is great. This is day number 7 of our 30 days transformation, and today's workout we are going to work the legs, the calves, the glutes and the hamstrings. All right, the way we are going to do this workout: 30 seconds on, 15 seconds of rest, and we will have about 15 rounds. Let's get right into our workout. So spread your legs shoulder width apart, and now let's do hip circles for 15 seconds in one direction. Okay, let's change direction of rotation. Do big movements to loosen up the hip joint. All right, now let's put the legs together. Let's do knee and ankle mobility. Okay, let's change direction, 15 seconds. Okay, stand up tall. Now each time do knee hug. We are stretching the glutes. Okay, so now we're going to start with the first one. It's going to be the squat. So you make sure that legs are shoulder width apart, toes slightly facing outward. And when you squat down, the leg is straight. No, the back is straight, and you come until your thighs are parallel to the ground. And when you're coming up, you push your chest in that direction. And our arms are here to help us find the balance. Okay, wonderful. Now 1 foot forward, and then we cross this leg behind, and then this knee, we bend both knees together, and then curtsy lunge, 30 seconds on 1 foot, and then we go on the other side. Okay, now left forward. Let's cross the right foot behind, switch the legs. Same way, when I'm going down, I keep my upper body as upright as I can. If you feel like you're losing the balance, you can spread your arms like this. That way balancing becomes easier. This works the outer thighs. All right, we're going again to squat. So next exercise, we squat down, we lift, we go up. All right, let's go. Squat, lift, calf raises, squat up. Beautiful. Next one, squat, cross body. Make sure you're putting the leg down, shoulder width apart. Exhale at the top of the movement. Beautiful. Now we're going to do calf raises, 30 seconds. So legs up, hip width apart. Then we're just standing on the tip of our feet, on the toes, and hold it like 1 second up. Alright, we do one more round for the calf raises, and then we go down, work the glutes and the hamstrings. Alright, yes guys, let's go. Hold it as long as you can. When you feel like, just hold it. Okay, let's go down, hold it, find the balance. Go down, up, hold it. Let's go down, up, hold it. Let's go down. Alright, let's go on the fitness mat, on the yoga mat. First one, we're going to do hip thrusters. So we're just driving the hip up. Let's go. And squeeze, make sure when you're here you're squeezing the hamstrings and the glutes. Working out is about the mind-muscle connection. Beautiful. Next one, we're going to do single leg. So one leg, one foot is up, then we do hip thruster, glute bridge, single leg glute bridge. It's also good to make sure you're working the body asymmetrically. That way you find out which side is weaker, then you can make sure that you strengthen them to have muscular balance. Okay, now the other leg. Okay, let's and you make sure you contract your core. Beautiful. Now we're going to leg curl. So you lift the leg up, side balance plus leg curl. So for you to be able to hold the position, it requires use the abductors, hip abductors, and you make sure you're also contracting your hamstrings. Okay, let's go on the other side. Leg up. Let's go. Curl the leg, contract the hamstrings. Beautiful. Now we're going to kneeling squat. So we stay in this position. When we come up, you squeeze the hamstring and the glutes. Make sure the movement is driven by the glutes. Alright guys, thank you. Clap for yourselves. Day number 7 is finished, and see you tomorrow on day number 8. Wow guys, type something in the comment about how the workouts have been so far for you. I want to get some type of feedback from you guys. Thank you, and see you in the next workout.